Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have this wireless headset right here. So it's just a random wireless headset. It has lights and stuff, and there you guys can see, that's the front of the box, this is the back. So we're just going to be opening this up and seeing how they sound. So let's just go ahead and start opening it. Open this up. Take this out. So there's not much in the box. It comes with a couple of earpieces, which are for size. You guys can see that. It has a USB Type-C, a small USB-C cable, so it charges by USB-C. And then you have the actual case here. So we can go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead and... So on the back goes the USB-C, so you can just plug this in. The USB-C goes like this. Now let's go ahead and take these out. So once you take them out, you do hear it say like powered on, and then there's a light actually too. So there's actually a light going on too. We can quickly check if the case is charged. Once you plug in the case, it actually shows how much percentage it's at. So right now it's at 52% and it's charging. There's lights on the side. So we take this out. So you guys can see now there's lights on the side now. It's open. If I close it, it's green. So over here we have this iPad. We're gonna connect it and now test the sound. So let's go ahead and connect it quickly. So this is gonna connect via Bluetooth. So if I go here, settings, you go to Bluetooth. And if I'm not wrong, this is called K10. Yep, so it's gonna show up as called as K10, and then that's what you're gonna use to connect. We can now just put these in. So go ahead, and now let's just play something. The cool thing about these is that the sides are actually like buttons, so I can like press them, and it pauses the video. And this one here is for volume. If I like, so I can pause it with both of them. And there's also a way to do volume with this. I think if you slide up, it changes the volume. So it has like gestures. You can also play the next video that comes by like swiping. So like gestures work on this pretty well, which is pretty cool just for like some cheap headphones. So these are actually pretty good. They're really good if you just want some cheap headphones, listen to stuff. You can just go to meetings, anything with this. It's pretty nice. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, or remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.